Here we are, the Devil's Hole.
I made Ian get whistles because I'm afraid of a bear attack.
Yes, we're gonna scare him off with the power of whistles. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Watch out, bear.
Watch out, bears. Here we come.
Here we come.
Here we come. She's taking a video of me as I'm taking a video of her. It's videoception. This is our surefire method for getting across the lake.
I was gonna say, I got a new manicure. Had to beat everybody else.
Of course.
So he climbed this last time and came to the very top. Very tiny above that like JB thing in the corner. Because we do best. So Ian had to descend the building even though he gave his girlfriend an anxiety attack because he felt she would not be able to carry his limp body like 2 miles that way and across the river.
I had to be the best.
And that he was.
That I am. Little mid-afternoon snack. You got their trail mix?
No, I got that good. It's like a true depiction.
Catching little bugs there.
Oh my God.
We've been traveling on this path for what feels like 3 hours. It's probably only been like 20 minutes, but
Well, let me show them the map.
close enough. Where's the map? Yeah.
So that's where we are. We still have all that light spot to go.
Yep.
Fuck this.
We're gonna do this.
Not as many bugs.
No, the bugs are not there, and it's actually kind of cool out now.
She says this one flies into her mouth.
So, for the love of God, we finally made it to the summit. Not gonna lie though, not really a view. I was expecting a view, right? Were you expecting a view? Yeah, it kind of stinks. I think the best part of this is the stream. Honestly, I think the stream is the best part of this.
Definitely like the cottage.
But at least now, we get to go on a decline. Thank God. Right?
I lay down.
We're the laziest hikers you ever seen in your life, huh?
Yeah, we do it.
But we do it. Alright, we officially made it back to where we started. We were like, oh, we shouldn't go this way. Maybe we'll go around. Maybe it won't be private property. But here we are. We made it back.
You okay?
Now we gotta shimmy our way back across this log. We're basically home free. Say hi, baby. And on the way back up, we did it. We completed the hike.
Thank God.
Thank God. How was it?
It was good. I mean, I definitely don't think I would do that long part again, but I'd go back to like the house and the creek and stuff like that, I feel like that's worth it.
Yeah.
The extra hike is just if you want to kill yourself for no reason.
Yeah. A couple cool milestones like the cobblestone house and the abandoned one, and the stream was beautiful.
Yeah.
Overall, as far as like a mountainside view though, not really up that alley. So, but it was a lot of fun and I'm glad we did it. I feel accomplished. Let's get the hell out of here.